Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today this is the new cuddle bug from Unity, which is called the Santa's Little Helper, which I've already stamped him on some white cardstock, and I'm going to be coloring him with some PrismaColor colored pencils. Of course, you can always use any color pencils that you have, but here I'm just going to show you how I've colored him in and creating a little scene for him. So I'm starting off with the lighter brown here to color in his fur, and I'm just adding some shade with some darker brown here to the bottom of his head and also his ears. Next, I'm using the colorless blender, or you could always use a white colored pencil to blend the colors in together. So the coloring concept for me is always the same. I always start off with the lighter shades first and then add the darker shades as I go along and then blend them together, because if you start off too dark you can't go back, but if you start lighter you can always add until you are satisfied. So I'm just gonna color and let the music play. Now I'm also adding some Arial Unity sequins here to create some bling for the reindeer. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!